Good evening and thank you for logging on to WMUR.com. I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe. We have a major snowstorm in the forecast for late on Monday and into Tuesday. It'll end early on Wednesday, probably in the pre-dawn hours, but this will likely be certainly the biggest storm we've had all season and possibly the biggest of the entire winter season. We're talking snowfall measurements in feet across much of the state of New Hampshire, and now we even have some blizzard warnings to tell you about too. So in the red color, this is basically the entire coastline from up toward Bangor, Maine, through Portland, through Portsmouth, and even down into Boston. There are blizzard warnings, and that goes for Tuesday and into the early morning hours on Wednesday. The rest of the state has the pink color, and that means a winter storm warning for high amounts of snow, but a little less in the way of wind. That's why there are blizzard warnings where you have the red color again, because the winds are going to be so fierce blowing around the snow, and there likely will be some huge impacts because of that when it comes to travel and even some down power lines, and at the beach too, some problems right at the coastline. What exactly is a blizzard? Well, you need 3 straight hours of sustained winds at 35 miles per hour plus, visibility at 0.25 miles or less, and then blowing and drifting snow, again, for 3 hours. So we will likely meet that criteria in those red areas. That means we will have also heavy snow to contend with, the damaging winds, and even at the coast there could be some minor coastal flooding, maybe even up to moderate levels. These are going to be the big impacts really statewide, but for those of you in the blizzard warning area, the damaging winds, it will be even bigger of an issue. Right now, tonight, no problems, just a few clouds up north. It was a beautiful Sunday. Tonight's going to be a cold one, and that plays a key role as this storm system moves in. It will be so cold. In fact, overnight, below 0 in some communities, 8 in Manchester. But because we have this high pressure, this cold high pressure on top of us, we are free to maintain the cold air. And throughout the duration of this storm, which is a long time, all day Tuesday, it will be cold enough, certainly for all snow, and so cold that the fluff factor will be a big issue. So that will mean the snow can pile up much more because it will be more of the lighter variety. Here's what's going to happen on Futurecast. This will give you a great idea of what will go on. Tomorrow morning, no problems. Tomorrow in the early part of the day is the time to get your travel in, and then it probably will come to a standstill by the time we get to Tuesday. Clouds increase 6 o'clock in the evening, maybe a few snow showers right along the Mass border, but the heaviest snow will likely move in between 9 and midnight. And then from there, this whole thing spreads northward. Very heavy snow by about 7 a.m. in the southern part of the state. Up to the north, it's just arriving, and it continues. We'll have these bands going through from time to time on Tuesday that will make visibility next to nothing. And at times there may be some lulls in the action. That's something to keep in mind. But then at other times the snow's coming down very heavy again, and it continues like that all day long and until about midnight on Wednesday, before finally this whole thing pulls away. But Wednesday during the morning hours, there may still be some additional blowing snow because of the winds being strong. Take a look at this map. It's not very often that we put snow totals on this high, but we're thinking again, mostly because of the fluff factor, that we're really going to pile things up. 18 to 25 inches of snow, Concord, Manchester, Portsmouth, down toward Nashua, even Jaffrey. Lesser amounts from the Lakes region to Lebanon to Keene, but lesser amounts, I'm meaning right around a foot, if not more. And then a lot less when you get to the north, 8 to 15. The 15 would probably be in some of the higher elevations. Future wind gusts here also showing some issues. Look at this. 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts by Tuesday in the afternoon, 52-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Portsmouth, and that's as the snow is falling. So obviously a serious situation here with this storm coming through on Tuesday. Then finally some quieter weather Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yep, another storm system. Doesn't look as big as this one, but some measurable snow is likely. Finally, we can all take a deep breath next weekend with some quieter weather. We, of course, will be here with you all throughout the storm's duration. WMUR.com, on TV, on social networks. We will keep you up to date.